Hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy, and I make live videos, mostly of Yiddish. If I'm a guy on the hand to give video, please consider to give me hit the like button, to give me subscribe, and du wisst yourself in the channel. Ja, bij hit dem join button en weer een member. Het gaat een lange, riesige weg. Het kan man aan doen in free met interessante. Of I'm a guy anyway, dat ik zo hold on. It's absolutely, positively, 100% not financial advice. So please be very careful. De market dat wegnemen alles wat die hast. Absolutely niet gelijk wie ze die hast. So please be very careful. So jetzt fangen wir an der handige live. Baser gesegnen. Werden sagen goodbye. What a year it has been. Music Manning. Good morning, good morning. What are we saying goodbye to? To the morning lives, Hevra. Sie gekommen der Zeit. Wie man darf sich gesegnen. You know? Like I said, man kann nicht umgehen forever mit der Sache. So. So as of today, as of February 2nd, 2026, as of now, wie es steht, today will be the last morning live for the next foreseeable future. Es meint nicht, als the channel geht nicht videos, the channel geht weiter videos, in some night lives, but the everyday morning lives is coming to a close. Nicht a easy decision gewesen von mir, but a decision that needed to be made, you know. Heute ein paar Wochen zurück. Also ich kann nur umgehen mit dem, von wie lange ich kann umgehen. Wenn sie gekommen an wie sagt man, der letzte Straw. You know, that's it I could do. Aber man darf sich umgarteln, you know what I mean? Und bei der Time ich bin du jetzt, will ich sagen, thank you für jeder, was es du gewesen. You know, für eine Minute, für 2 minutes, jeden Tag, in der Früh, you know. Und ich weiß, dass du Menschen, was gehen, like, fühlen wie, oh my God, was dir, you know, ich bin geworden, sie gewohnt, sie, morning mit Viggy. But, you know, sometimes darf man machen schwere decisions. Sie haben bessere Sachen. And that's what needs to be happening, you know? So yeah, it's not easy for me, but by the way, Bitcoin, whoever had gefollowed do in their channel do, ich habe predicted, warte ich, als Bitcoin geht zurückkommen zu 76.000. Ist umgekommen zu 76.000. Du wie ich got the yellow line. Very interesting. From the high from 126.25, 125, all the way to 75. $50,000. Low, SPY, 691. Ich wollte machen ein Video, explainen, but noch betracht ein Video ist see too much. Gold 4700. Yankee T. Good morning, Yankee T. Hello and welcome. How you doing? It's not sad music. It's just somber music. Zilber, $81. Harugi came at $71. Wie ze kijkt als ze gaat door hem zwemmen voor de nächste paar Tage. But Bitcoin 77. So only came exactly to 76. Oh, Yankee, danke. Wie ze gewinnt Shabbos? Look there. OMG, it was amazing. Nice. Good for you, man. So they're live at Noord-Ungarn bis 9:40. It's a kleine short live. Es ist mehr als a gesegen sich type of live. Chayam. Basically, the morning live today will be the last for the foreseeable future. Is han der letzte live in the free. You know, kann ich tanzen auf zwei Chasanas, Brüders. So it's time to say goodbye to the morning lives. Sorry, Yankee. Was kann ich tun, you know? Sometimes you gotta make schwere decisions. Decisions, also wie der Doktor darf machen, incisions. You know, wir können nicht umgehen für zu lang. Ich bin nicht kein Volunteer Service, you know what I mean? And again, keiner kennt mich zero. I just want to say that. Sie können schon ruckiman wie like wie ich request oder ich bete oder es ist keinems nicht Sach. Thank you, Chaim. We really appreciate it. It's not easy for me as well, but what could I do? Darf sich herugarteln, Yankee. You know? Und ich habe gesagt, dass ich gehe in der Live, wie lange ich kann es afforden. The second ich kann es nicht afforden, kann ich es nicht stehen. Because I can't be, you know, rude to myself, you know? But videos in some night lives are still going to be a thing. So we're not going anywhere. You know what I mean? Do you have a JOB? Nein. Ich habe andere Projects that I'm working on, wie sie darf nehmen man Zeit. Und ich kann nicht fokussen auf Lives, auf andere Sachen. So I gotta be real, you know? You don't have to apologize for the fifth. Thank you, Chaim, yeah. It's nicht, als ich apologize, ich try masber zu sein, you know? It's not something that I was like, okay, let me do it, you know? It's nicht so, wie ich will es dienen oder anything, but wenn es nicht du kann bereiten. But ich will definitely geben thanks für jeder eine, was du gewesen, you know? Yankee, Chaim, Music Manic, Sally, Brooklyn, Penny G, Shia, alles geht's. Yankee, that's the idea, Yankee. That's the idea. I gotta focus. Ich kann nicht gehen ergens anders. Ich kann nicht etwas anders if I can't focus. Any volunteering to open a live chat? What? Toby, the Dove. Good morning. How you doing? Yeah, some hard decisions were needed to be made, you know? And the decision was made. Ich habe gedacht, ich will nicht, don't forget Avrumi. Yeah, ich will nicht vergessen kann nehmen. I always say, ich will nicht schon halben sagen nehmen, because then vergesse ich, you know? Einer min ist Esther, Toby, wer noch? Dovi, Shimmy's Two Sparkle, Levi Lesson, wer noch? I keep forgetting the names, but I'm sorry, ich habe vergessen die Nummern. Sie nicht intentional. Yeah, I'm sorry, Music Manning. Was kann ich denn? If you make some money instead, I'm happy rather than being sad. The goal is zu machen Geld. And stammt zu machen eine Sache, zu werden burnt out, und nicht enjoyen, was man tut, und nicht machen kein Geld, is a Sache, you know? But, you know, so man darf mal get the balance. So the balance will be, ich kann noch machen Reviews, in some nights, I like going live. So it's on bessere lives. Mehr Geschmacker, you know? Sag mal, wenn man weniger von einer Sache ist es besser. Thank you, Ram. Same here, same here. Ich soll wissen, dass nicht so wie mir, es ist nicht so wie nur eng, meine ich zu sagen. Das Mal ist es mir auch. Oh, the Friday vibes. Yeah, seht mich lass auch sagen, Yankee. Could be the more, kann sein, you know, once ich ween over bis, you know, and can't pay attention. Maybe a Friday live, or much a Shabbos live. What about Friday mornings? Yeah, that's a good, I didn't think about it, but als je Freitag ein Show, darauf kommen live. Yes, see, things like that. The Freitag lives is nicht considered wie any andere lives, you know? So Fridays are so special. Yes, I agree. I enjoy it as well, Toby. But ich darf sein sort of realistic, you know? But this I get the idea. Friday lives, yeah, Friday lives. We'll have it on the roster, you know. I wasn't thinking all the way to Friday. Love and live. Love and live. Hello and welcome. Don't leave us. I feel the same way. The last few days are giving terrible. You know what I mean? I was like, what am I doing? What's happening? Levi lesson. Good morning. How you doing? Yankee T. Thank you so much. How long have I been doing this live? mehr wie a year for sure. I would say going on a year and a half too. So you look emotional. Ich bin emotional. It's not easy for me. Thank you, Levi. Friday Live. So as we do Friday Lives most probably, you know, will be a thing. Will, you know. Mein Brain hat moeilijk zu sagen Sachen jetzt, weil, you know, es ist der letzte Mal. Sie will nicht sagen. Ich bin emotional. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like within the year, I felt like I started knowing you guys, you know? Don't leave us alone. You know, es ist nicht eine Sache, was ich will tun. We're really emotional. It's just good to see you. I'm sorry, Toby. I should call this the emotional live or something. Sag mal, lach mal von Pen, you know? And again, kinda absolutely kommt mir gar nicht, but for me to continue, you know, es kostet mir eine Sache Geduld und Keuch. In again, kinda kommt mir gar nicht. I just want to make that very, very clear. But to continue this on is just like grueling, and I need to focus on other things as well. Trying to make it, you know? Trying to make it. Esther. Good morning. Unsere getreue Schwester. How you doing? Time to try and focus on goals. Thank you, Esther. But you guys should know that video reviews in some night lives are going to be in the roster, and Friday morning lives are up there. Am I okay? As much as okay I could be. You mean? Are you fragen specific? Like, zie ich viel nicht geht und ich habe 2 Wochen zu leben und ich will nicht gut suchen für einen? Esther? Ah, yeah. Wie sagen Sie? Livey? Thank you so much. Let me give my check. Da-da-da-da. Mata Stokes will still be here. The channel is going to run. Yeah, I'm looking. Sie nimmt aber nicht. Ich bin durch. Ich refresh. But ich glaube dir, Levi. Thank you, Levi. For the super chat. Ich habe es noch nicht gesehen. Sie gehen nach Quick Pay. So, ich warte, der Bank soll mich lassen wissen. Sie nimmt aber nicht. Wow, 100 point candle, just like that. Also wie ich so gehe, wenn ich bin ready und mir juckt sich, flieht der Seiger, you know? But jetzt, wenn ich will, dass die Zeit so gar nicht steht, flieht es. Oh, wei. Ich still going to the emotions like this, you know? A part of me wishes that andere Sachen wollten sich ausgearbeitet, you know? And I will can't continue on the live. Because I really did enjoy it. I did feel connections, you know, we started to know each other. Wir sind angekommen in der Früh. It's just as much important to me wie zu eng. Like, I'm not saying it, oh, I'm doing it for you. No. Ich habe es pinkt so enjoyed. You know? Things we worked on. Sachen, was man gelacht. Sachen, was man nicht gedacht sagen, was man gesagt. The kleine pitsy toffels between each other, you know? In the chats. Wow, thank you, Levi. Levi lesson for the quick pay. I really appreciate it. It's became the email, so I just wanted to make sure. Meaning, like. Yeah, I didn't feel this emotion for losing some. You guys are making it harder than, you know. Ich mache es schwer. But, da oben the Gewehr, as they say. So things are gonna stay normal. Things are gonna be normal for the channel. Besides for the morning lives, in some night lives, you know. And ich meine, as you guys will enjoy the night lives as well, because mit weniger, sag mal, wenn man hat weniger von etwas, ist es mehr enjoyable, wenn man hat es ja. Toby! Thank you so much. The trugen the sunglasses, just saying, was the best decision. Esther. Come on, peoples. I appreciate it. I'm not going anywhere besides for the morning lives. Still gonna be here at night. Still gonna do the Friday live as much as possible. More videos are gonna come out. Look at the love. Yeah. It's not making it easier, lady. It's not, you know. If things will turn around and things will become better from my end in certain aspects, the morning lives will be back on. You know what I mean? This is not coming from a point in burnout or that ich will es nicht stehen. It's not coming from that point of view. And it just didn't, you know, the road didn't lead. Sally. Thank you so much. Good morning, Sally. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Today is a very emotional day, Sally. It's the farewell. You need to get more memberships. Janke, die meinst, dass ich bin der Buttonpresser? A fellow subscribers, Yankee, Menschen will nicht drücken the button subscribe. You know what I mean? This is 9:35. This live will go on for another 10 minutes because I really have to go after 9:45. I don't want to. Ich habe es gepusht from 9:40 to 9:45. So we have a 10-minute timer. In Farmer Guy darf ich sagen, who remembers, wenn ich gesagt dass Bitcoin geht umkommen zu 76,000, ich habe gleich do the yellow line.
Ist umgekommen.
You have over 3K people that did. Yes, and I appreciate. I'm just saying, die suchst ich darf mehr memberships. Sucher that sie nicht schwer zu bekommen subscribers, meaning, you know, and ich bin nicht in control. Sally, get to work, make us feel good. Sally's time to take over. That would be nice. Sally will do a better job than me. Weißt in the movies in my head, don't go. There's only one Viggy. No one can outdo. It's not about outdoing. It's not about outdoing. Ich habe gesagt, the word outdoing, aber ich habe nicht gesagt. Different flavors, you know? White pepper, black pepper, salt, crunches, you know? Jeder hat sich seinen Flavor. Should do definitely. Exactly. Yes, I take it back. Take it back. Not better. Different. I agree. Rick is irreplaceable. You know, when I hear this, I see in my mind, like in a cartoon way, oh, John is irreplaceable, and the bus just takes him off. Oh, I guess we gotta replace John. All right, let's upbeat the music here for a few minutes. I know it's sad. I know. But what can we do? Now I can't find any uplifting music to celebrate. Hold on. The last few minutes that we're on live in the morning live, we'll try to go out, you know, with a bang, as they say. Yeah. All the time, effort, and jokes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Chaim, me replace mich schon already, huh? Chaim, the live geht noch du sein. Meaning like by now, you guys will see it. You guys will be here. No, I finished the music. No, hold on. Ze get me World War II, ze suggest me World War II music. It knows what's up. No, we're back to this music. Zilber, $82. So I touched 71. Lama Zenchi 71 is the low. See, you know. This is like my life. Chaim, the erste is I get a lesson. Sie wissen, die Sachen, was man hat, wo es geht, hat man nicht für forever. Und wenn man hat es, meint man, als kommt so. Man meint, als geschenkt. Man meint, dass man lebt so. Aber das Yeshiva pflegt sagen. Man geht fragen Kinder, von wie Orange Juice kommt, gehen sie sagen, was heißt Pa? From the frigidaire. You know what I mean? Man meint, wenn man hat, geht's. Also so kommt es, und so wird es eibig sein. So, could be, you know, it's a lesson for other things in your life. Ich kann mich das auch auslernen. You know, also had good things, and when it left, I was like, oi, I let a good one go. You know what I mean? But I really do want to say thank you for jeder einer. For the full year and a half. For den Zando. For den supporten mit the likes. Mit supporten mit the Geld. You know. Supporten mit schicken Sachen for the mail. I really do appreciate it. Für jeder einer, was hat gechat. Today, don't forget, today is fruitful. Tu B'Shvat. Hand ist Tu B'Shvat, gemeint Nacht again Tu B'Shvat. I guess it fängt sich Baba Nacht, I see. Not easy from my side, I just want to say. But Emmersdick, I really just want to say thank you. Ich weiß, thank you seems very kalt. Ich habe gegoogelt, thank you. Für jede Meinung was, you know, sein eigener thank you. Scriptive, colorful. Feed of a page. Silly thank yous. Surprising thank yous. Shiny thank yous. I just want to say that I really do appreciate you all for being here. But before I sign off, will I sagen, the channel is gonna remain the same. Thank you, Toby. The channel is gonna stay the same, meaning I weitermachen music reviews, podcast reviews, and some other videos as well. And some of the night lives will continue as usual. And I'm really, really considering, like on a very high level of consideration, is the Friday mornings live. I don't know, Sally. I hope I changed my life. And we don't know these things, Sally. We don't know. One little word, one little hello, one little shiny sweater could change someone's whole trajectory of life, you know? But really, I want to say thank you for all. Not an easy moment for me, and ob ich verpasst einem zu sagen thank you. You know, so the messages. Take this as a personal message instead of a, you know, broadcast message. But ich habe free gesucht nehmen, so. Yeah, Chaim. Yep. Alrighty. This moment that is upon us it's here, Chevra. And again, Chanish Ganik thank yous in the world to say thank you. For the morning live, Chevra, for Narankima, for the Schraben, for the Texten, for the Liken, for the sharing the videos. You know, mitlachen, mitweinen, mitsingen, mitlernen, all the things we did. Things that I never even thought I will do, which I did, which is crazy. And yeah, thank you. And see you on the next one. And until the next one, stay kind to one another. Peace. Sehen wir den herzlich herankommen.